Hello everyone and welcome to the FreeCodeCamp Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenges. Today we're going to do binary agents. Now, binary agents wants us to turn binary characters to a readable string, to like the equivalence of the binary codes. Now, in JavaScript, there is a method called FromCharcode, which looks for the character which is represented by the code. Now, it also works for binaries, so that's why we are gonna use it here. So what I did was basically convert the binary numbers into base 10 numbers, so the numbers that we know. For example, this would be a 65 instead of what it is here. And yeah, like I'm showing you here, this would have a step in the middle that is that parsing into a decimal number, and from that we can get the character code, because you cannot directly get the character code from the binary. So there's a way to do that, but then you have to specify that it's binary. Wait a minute. So if you do template string, so it has to be 0b, and then that's for a variable in a template, literal. And then it would also work like that, but like I said, you can also just parse it into hexadecimal. Of course, it's an extra step, so well, maybe I could leave it like this. So first we split all of these binaries into elements of an array, and we take each element of the array, which is one single character, so one single letter or white space or apostrophe, and we map over them and decipher which character they are representing through this. And then afterwards we join them together, because otherwise they are gonna stay like this with a white space in between. And we don't want that. Well, actually they would stay as an array, so it would be like this, and then inside of an array. So we don't want that. We want to join them together. Even the white spaces would be within the array. So we join them together. It's a kind of deciphering machine, and if we run the tests, it passes. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comments below. If you like this video please, and subscribe to my channel so that my videos find more people and I can help them like that. Every engagement you do on this channel, also sharing this video, for example, will positively impact my content and it will help others, so consider doing that. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.